Hi, I am Miguel Renteria. I am here working with the Mahal Arts as an instructor. I also go by the name of Bboy Hero. I represent Floor Vandals crew from Olympia, Washington, and today I will be teaching the beginning steps of breakdancing, also called the top rock. And to start this tutorial, all you will need is an open space and a speaker and some music. Today, I will be teaching the crossover. It's a basic form of the top rock, also known as the up rock. It is basically a crossover, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna have your left foot or your right foot, whichever one you feel comfortable first going with, is you're gonna cross over the opposite foot. So if you're gonna go with your left foot, you're gonna go with your left leg over your right leg. And you're gonna bring it back towards the center, and then you're gonna go with the opposite foot, your right leg, and you're gonna shake it over your left leg. Bring it back. You can always add a little hop in the middle to make it more exaggeration. And first we're gonna go with no hands, and we're just gonna work with our legs as crossovers. So in order to do that, first we'll pick it up a little bit, and you guys can watch. We'll slow it down, and then we'll pick it up. So first, left foot over right foot. Back towards the center, add a little hop. Right foot over, right foot center, add a little hop. Now, that right there is what a crossover looks like. So right now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try it with some music. Basically, we're gonna have our hands behind our back, and you're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try the crossover. Remember, you can either start with your left or right foot. All right, first, gonna feel the music, you know, then listen to the drum lines. So we go. There you go, left, right, step, hop, like that. All right, so we're gonna keep on going. So just keep on going, rock with me, let's rock the beat. Listen to the beat a little bit. Crossover, left, right, step back, add a little funk to it. There you go, keep it going. There you go. You're gonna exaggerate, lean over more. There you go, all right, there we go. Next up, we're gonna exaggerate with our hands. All righty, next step is we're gonna be teaching arms and exaggeration. When you exaggerate your arms, when you dance, you're telling a story. I feel like when you use your arms more, you exaggerate more, which makes it look more enthusiastic, more inciting for people that are watching. So I'm gonna break it down with no music first, and we will be using a little bit more of our hands. So with our crossover step, what is important with our hands is that we're gonna be reaching over with our legs. So when we go with our right leg over our left leg, what we're gonna do is we're gonna hop. You're gonna throw your arms back, and then when you hop back with your right leg, you're gonna do the exact same thing with your left leg, back over your right leg, with your arms doing the same thing. So it's gonna look like this. So you're gonna go with your left leg over your right leg. See that exaggeration? I'm opening up. Come back towards the center, add a little hop. Boom, do it again. Boom, back towards the center, left over, right. Exaggerate, open up, clap, boom, clap. You can always add a clap. A lot of breakdancing that's really cool is we have this thing called the soul clap, you know, so everybody gets clapping, have fun with it, you know, and there's a circle of people, clapping brings the energy out. It's called a cipher. So I think that it's very important to use your hands, exaggerate, have fun with it. So, and also posture is another thing, is when you top rock, you wanna have posture, poses, stuff like that to make it look cool, you know, so. All right, so next thing up we're gonna do is we're gonna retry that again. We're gonna go with our right leg over, work on exaggerating the arms like we're coming into a superhero position. Awesome. Exaggeration, we're gonna start slow and then we'll pick it up, okay? We're gonna start with our right leg over our left leg and exaggerate your arms as if you're going into a superhero position, all right? Let's try it. Slow. Boom. Boom. Right over left, back towards center. Hop, left, right. Pick it up. Then you could, oh, look, I'm doing a mixture. Zombie walk. Posture. All right. Next up, we're gonna continue doing what we're doing with that, but we're gonna exaggerate some more, make it more exciting. You can also make it more aggressive as if you're in a breakdance battle, like you're challenging somebody. So one thing that is really exciting is that you can just have fun with it, have style with it, you know? Bring it right over left, hop back, do it again. Then we're gonna move it up a notch. We're gonna get more aggressive with it. This, you know, have fun. All right, so look. Boom, boom, pop, pop, pop. Have fun. There you go. Posture. Bring arms up to your head. Just have fun with it. You know, you do whatever you want. Have style. Style is dope. Awesome for breakdancing. I started dancing when I was just 12 years old. I grew up in a musically inclined family. My dad was a piano artist. He was into jazz. I was into hip hop. We ended up breakdancing. I ended up breakdancing at a very young age. I had a couple peers that were around the same age as me at a different middle school that I got into it with, and we absolutely love to dance, the style. There's girls and boys that both do it. With dancing comes great opportunities. It's a universal thing. There's people from all over the world that dance, that break dance, B-boys, B-girls, and there's people that do it, and it's unity. Peace, love, and unity is a big thing. A part of hip-hop is that we each one teach one. You know, you're always going to be learning. It's very important for kids as very young as, you know, any age that could start the dance itself, because for me, it was a way of expressing myself throughout middle school and going through obviously hard changes in life that I think it is important for anybody and everybody to do. It doesn't cost anything, it's free. You can dance in the street, you can dance in the rain, you can dance in your living room. All you need is just a speaker and it's free, it's fun. It's a good exercise, good cardio workout for kids that, you know, enjoy being upbeat and having fun and listening to music. And with that also, comes great opportunities. Myself, I've competed at high-level battles in Seattle. I've battled crews from LA. I've also been in 3 music videos, and I've been in a newspaper for breakdancing at a community youth services block party that was in Olympia, Washington in 2014. You can do a lot with dancing, and I think that a lot of people do it for the love of it, which I do it for the love of it. It grew on me as time grew on me as time went on. I told myself I'll never stop dancing, and here I am, 24 years old, continuing doing it 12 years later. You know, I'm glad that I'm here in Met Howe and bringing it to a small community and introducing something new to our community. I think that it's very important in small communities to have that outlet. Next time we will be teaching what's called the back step. It is just a super awesome move. Once you get the crossover down, right, hop back, left, left, hop back. Once you get that down, you can go like this, with your arms, exaggerate, and then you can do the back step, which is just boom, boom. And that is what I'll be teaching next.